I went into the Medigrow event with a tax bill over $100,000, and I was a big, hard-working doctor, and in my mind, all I had to do in my life was work harder to make more money. And despite medical school being a challenging process for me and thinking of myself as being quite smart, I didn't work smart. I used my knowledge to work harder. And what the Medigrow event taught me was that by working smarter, I could reduce that tax bill and I could accumulate assets and to really have reward for my profession. It enabled us to think a little bit more clearly and to really work as a team. I thought within the day, we felt that we actually were working as two individuals. This course made us think, no, we're a lot more stronger together. But not just we are more stronger together, it gave us the tools and at least a structure and a strategy on how to actually move forwards together as a team. And it really embedded itself. It took us nearly a week to digest after the course, just the pure strategies. And every time we looked at each other, we'd smile because we knew that something new was coming up in our lives. We really, really felt that. Like we were just trying to make ends meet and trying to get through life, and we just have to work harder just to get to the next step. And we walk out and we felt empowered. We actually felt wealthier. We felt that the knowledge was wealth itself, and that we just had a path forwards as a couple together and as a family in the future, and we could envision 10, 20, 30 years from now.